Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and firmware so you avoid driver mismatches. Once done, attach the supplied power adapter and plug the dock into a grounded outlet. This ensures full power for monitors and drives. Next, connect the host cable, USB-C or USB-A, firmly into your computer's port. Make sure the cable is not in a hub or adapter that could limit bandwidth. These steps enable the dock to enumerate correctly and prepare peripherals for configuration. You now route displays and peripherals to the dock. Connect each monitor to the HDMI or display port outputs and power them on. Then open your operating system display settings to assign the primary screen, set resolution, and adjust scaling so text and UI are sharp. Attach Ethernet for wired networking, plug in USB devices and audio, and mount any external drives. Once devices appear, make sure drivers install. If a device is missing, reseat its cable and allow a brief detection interval. To finish, install the Wavlink driver or utility if available, then restart your computer so the system applies settings. You should confirm power delivery percentage on supported laptops, check Ethernet link speed, and test USB peripherals and audio. Make sure display arrangements persist after a reboot. If something goes wrong, power cycle the dock and host, then try a different certified cable. This quick troubleshooting step resolves many handshake and bandwidth problems. If it still fails, note symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.